Want to know how to install the WhatsApp app on your iPhone easily? Well, look no further. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then follow my easy methods. Now open up the App Store. After that, tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you are installing for the very first time with your current Apple ID, then tap on the Get button. Now install. Then it will ask you to enter your Apple ID password. Enter your Apple ID password and then tap Sign In. It will start installing automatically. If you are installing the app a second time, then tap on the little cloud icon to install it. This time, App Store will not ask for your Apple ID password. It will start installing directly. After the installation, tap Open. Sign up your account with your phone number. So that's all. And this way, you can install your WhatsApp app on your iPhone easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have anything to ask, then feel free to let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.